Want to install the most popular and useful Turn Off the Lights Microsoft Edge extension? So you get the best online web and video experience in your Microsoft Edge web browser. Here's how. First, click on the three dots icon and click on the menu item, Extensions. A new web page shows up, and on your left side click on the blue hyperlink, Get Extensions from Microsoft Store. The official Microsoft Edge add-ons page show up. Now search in the search box for the Microsoft Edge extension named Turn Off the Lights. When you are on this product page, click on the blue download button, Get, to add the extension in your Microsoft Edge web browser. A permission warning message shows up. Now you must click on the button, Add Extension, to continue this installation. When the installation is completed, you see two tabs in your web browser. The first one is the Welcome video, and the other tab is the interactive guide to learn the basic features of this amazing extension. And that is it. Enjoy Turn Off the Lights. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the Turn Off the Lights channel or click another video to keep watching.